Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem. In the code snippet provided, we have a function called foobar that calls two other functions, foo and bar, and returns either the result of foo or bar based on a comparison. The assembly output of this function doesn't explicitly show how the comparison is done, leaving us puzzled about how the decision is made. It's a bit of a head-scratcher, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem. The key lies in understanding that the expression a equal b, ab, actually simplifies to just b in this context. Therefore, the function foobar will always return the result of bar, regardless of the comparison result between a and b. It's a clever optimization, removing the need for explicit checks and simplifying the code flow. Neat, right? In a nutshell, the seemingly mysterious comparison in the assembly code is actually straightforward. The function foobar will always return the output of bar, making the entire decision process more efficient. And with that, we've cracked the case of the enigmatic assembly output. Thanks for joining in today. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Catch you next time for more tech adventures.